Instant, happening immediately. Abbreviation, a version of a word or phrase that has been reduced in length. Aloud, in a way that can be heard. Separately, not connected to or together with someone or something else. Honest, truthful. Similar, almost but not exactly the same. Texting 101, abbreviations from FWIW to TTYL. Most of us send so many instant messages that we need a way to make it a little easier and to keep our fingers fresh. Initialisms help us type less. These are abbreviations in which the first letter of each word is read aloud separately. Some are more common than others, but they're all useful if you're sending messages or when using social media. For example, if you want to add some extra information, instead of typing all 8 letters of "by the way," you can just type BTW. And ASAP, meaning as soon as possible, is so common that it's also used in spoken conversation and can be said either as the letters ASAP or as ASAP. Here's another one. ATM. In text language, it isn't anything to do with banks. It means at the moment. You might also use RN, right now, if you're talking about what you're doing at the time. If you're giving your opinion about something in your messages, you might write FWIW, for what it's worth. That means you're sharing some information, but you aren't sure if it's going to be useful. For example, if you're texting friends about a movie you watched and the others didn't like it, you could add FWIW, I enjoyed it. A similar initialism is NGL, meaning not gonna lie. You're saying that you're giving your honest opinion. And if you're finished with the conversation, one way you could end it is with TTYL. Talk to you later.